Hello traders. So today we are actually going to reveal a very simple and it's a very profitable strategy. So like in February and March, if you traded with this pattern, what would be your profit? So currently we will check from the March 3rd, 1st to the 17th March, and these are the records, and we will backtest the same records, and we will see the results, that how much profit we are getting it. We have utilized the few parameters like fast simple moving average and slow simple moving average, RSI period and threshold 20, and we have taken a 1 hour's time period with the 10x leverage with the $10,000 capital and BTC USDT contracts we have taken it. So see the results now, and we will count. Yes, the total trades has been placed in very precise trades. First buy entry has taken and it has booked a profit of 600 point. Again buy entry is taken and booked a profit of $7,000 points, and yes, again sell entry, and that one two into the profit. So the total gain 17,000 USD from the 10,000 investment, immediately 170% ROI. So these are the March month. We will now calculate with the February 1st to the February 28, and yes, we will back test again and we will see the results. So first profit 17,000 USD from the $10,000 capital with the 10x leverage only. Same parameter we are testing into the February. Keep monitoring it, and how many trades, what are the accuracy, what are the, because these trades we are holding for the big profit, and it's not even like that we are booking the small losses, but the profit will book the big. And yes, it will automatically close the trades if the buy signal has crossed from simple moving average from 5 to 60. It means like this is the graph and these are the your 5 days moving average, and this is your 60 days moving average. So when it will cross down, it will take the sell entry, and once it will again cross up, it will take the buy entry and it will exit the sell entry. So yes, we will see now again. The profit will be made in the February month. Yes, it is $22,000 profit. And see the beauty of it. Out of 6 signals, 4 signals into the profit, and 12,000 maximum gain with the loss of 7,300. So the total profit 22,000 if we take it, 39,000 USD profit with the $10,000 capital. You getting 390% ROI by only trading BTC USD contracts. We'll see the trades, the place, and yes, these are the few trades has been placed, and it gives the very good profit. And yes, you can ask us, and we will even connect, and we are even testing with the other pairs, so the we can diversify the capital and we can increase the more profit with the same strategy. So these are the code you can even create into the MT4, and this code will be the same way if you have account in MT4, MT5. We will place this code and it will be traded in your account simultaneously. Or you can ask us with the API key. These are the API key, and we will connect either with the API key with the same strategy. You can ask us. You can ask us to get this strategy. We will prepare it and we will give it to you in ready form, where you can connect to your MetaTrader, or you can ask us for the API key. We cannot give you the code as it's not even possible currently. So you can only connect with our account. But if you want to connect with MT4 and MT5, we have the ready-made code, and immediately you can connect and you can get a very easy profit, because it will follow the SL and TP precisely once entry and exit. And if you run for the 1 year and 2 years, it can make you the millionaire God willing.